Have you ever felt stuck when speaking English? You know the words, I know the grammar, but when it is time to speak, the words just don't flow. I have been there, and I know how frustrating it feels. That is why I created English Fluency Spring, a self-paced program designed to help you finally speak English with confidence and flow. In this course, we don't just study English, we live it. Every session is about practicing out loud. From self-talk exercises to mimicry to singing lyrics to fun conversation exercises and challenges. Everything designed to break the silence and get you speaking naturally. Because fluency doesn't come from memorizing rules, it comes from using English every day in your voice. In this English Fluency Spring, you will discover why English is the first skill you need to master, how to use self-talk to boost your fluency, the power of mimicry, copying great speakers until their rhythm becomes your rhythm, how music and tongue twisters can unlock your pronunciation, and how to build sentences, conversations, and finally your own projects. Everything step by step. Each of those 12 sessions come with worksheet trackers and challenges, all to guide you from where you are now to where you want to be. I still remember when I was learning, I didn't feel fluent at all until I started singing along to my favorite songs, mimicking speakers I admired, and pushing myself to talk every single day. That's when things changed. That's when I stopped studying English and I started living it. That's when I started speaking English, and that's what I want for you. So, if you have got the basics of English but you lack fluency, this program is for you. It is practical, it is flexible, and it's built to give you the confidence you need, the confidence you lack. Join me in this journey and let's make your season of fluency start.